Good day everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you on how to install the application to your computer. First, I will select here the application. I will install the application which is Photoscape. It is for picture editing. So I will double click this. There's a confirmation. Click yes. Then click I agree install. So from here, please wait while Photoscape is being installed. So click finish. Then here it is. There's some types of editing here. There's a page. You can drag your photo here. There's a different types of paging here. Then for the combined pictures, you can select your pictures and then drag here, and then you can edit it. So and here's more, the animated. You can drop your photo here to create the animated pictures. Then for the batch editor, you can drop also your photo here, then put a frame. So this is the application for Photoscape for photo editing.